Hi, today I'd like to show you how you can earn money by clicking links to make $5 in 30 seconds instant withdraw faucet earning method that I'm going to show in this video. Just stay with this video until the end. I'm going to show you the way and I'm going to try live withdraw that is going to be awesome. So this is Money Horn and I'm just here to show you the method. So without wasting any more of your time, I'm going to show you the site. The site I'm talking about is called claimtrx.com. Yes, this is claimtrx.com. You can see the link in the first comment below. You can just join it and you can work with it without any problem. So if you just go over to this website, you can see that they have like two buttons here, that is login and register, and all the statistics are showed up here, and their withdrawals, they are currently generating coins, and the users they have total right now. If you're just skeptical about these sites, I just go to check out the reviews of it on Trustpilot. So I move on to the Trustpilot and search it for claimtrx.com, and the result comes out like this. It's like 3.2 having a score, and it's like average, but nonetheless it's not a bad site. It's paying, many people gets paid, and it's a paying website. So that is why it's getting a average rating, which is also a very good way. So if I just go over to the claimtrx sites, and you can see that they have login and register options here, and you can see you can just click on register. If you just click on register, it will show these forms, and it will just simply ask for your email, password, and just fill the reCAPTCHA and get started, and you're good to go. It will show directly to the dashboard of it, and you can see that I have just created this account. So the balance is right now 0, and it's giving me all the statistics, if I have any referrals, if I have any energy, if I have any balance, and so on and so forth. And this is the site. If you just simply want to work with this, and you will get instant withdraw. I believe me, I'm going to show you how you can get that. And if you just click on the withdraw section here, if you just click on withdraw, it will load the withdrawal page. You can see you need a Faucet Pay account to receive payments from this website. So if you just have to register a Faucet Pay account. So if I click on this link, it will show the Faucet Pay homepage. So simply just register here, just click on register, and it will, after registration, just simple form fill up, and you will get your account ready. And you can see that you have all the wallets, you have all the coins just here, and I already have these websites, I already have this account. So if I just click on the menu sections and click on the deposits here, if you just click on deposits, and it will show all the wallet address that you can get payment from. So if you just click on any so for this video purpose, the TRC coin, so I just click on this wallet address and go over to the withdraw sections, and you just enter the amount you want to withdraw, and then just simply paste it out here like this. And if you can get paid as like Tron, Litecoin, Dogecoin, and other things as well. So this is it, guys. If you just simply want to earn money online, so this is the withdraw sections, and I haven't earned any amount yet, so I have to earn and some decent amount right now, then I can withdraw it. So if I just go over to the PTC section, so here it is, the PTC sections, and you can see that these are the PTC ads just for 5 seconds. If I just click on go, and it will load the PTC ad, and I just have to wait 5 seconds, and boom, you can see that I have to fill up the captcha. So I fill up the captcha and just click on verify, and you can see that, let's see it counts or not, and here it is. I just got the coins, guys. I have get paid from it, so I'm clicking on it again 5 seconds side. Just wait for 5 seconds, just simply fill the captcha, and and boom, I get paid again. And just as this is the way to work with PTC. So if I just go on to the short link section, so if I click on short links, I have like 33 links right now. So I just click on go for the first link and wait for some seconds. It will load the page of the short links. It will show some ads, it will show some redirects, and so on and so forth. So this is the advertising site that just loaded after clicking the short links, and you can see it's counting some seconds. So I just have to wait like 11 seconds here. So you click on upper and lower image, then press back and wait 3 seconds for link. Okay, so I have to click on here. So I just have to click here to continue. So click here, then it just have to wait 14 seconds again. You are currently on step 2. So this is the short link earning process from claimtrx.com. So I'm just waiting for some seconds right now. Just wait, be with me, and let's see it's pays me or not. So just 1 second, and here it is. It just have to, I have to continue. So we'll scroll down and click continue. So the continue button will be some, yeah, I got the continue. So this is the continue button. So I click on it, continue. So let's see what is the step 3 of it. So it's another redirection loop. So then again it loaded, and you are currently, so I'm just closing the pop-up. So you're currently on step 3. Please wait, and let's see what it, yes, it's just giving me a button. Scroll down and click on continue. I think the continue button is there. It is continue. So clicking on continue, and let's see what it is, if it loads or if it gets me the payment. So this is the process. A short link process is like a redirection process. So here it is, just a 3-step process to get short link payment from this website. So I just get another coins. Short links are like this. Some steps you need require, sometimes you have to wait, and you get payment, and its pays much higher than PTC. But PTC payment is instant, just for 5 seconds. You just click on it and wait for like 5 seconds. So here it is, I just filling the captcha, and you just got paid this 100,000 coin from it. So it's just clicking on OK, and I'm going to the dashboard. So see that what is the balance right now. This is the balance right now I have. Let's try to withdraw. So clicking on the withdraw, and just hit. So okay, it's get the amount already. I do not have to write anything. It's just simply get the current balance from it. So I only have to put the wallet ID. So the Tron wallet ID, so Tron address. So I just go over to the wallet sections, and I am going to use this Tron TRX. So I just click on copy the Tron TRX link here and my wallet ID. So I paste the wallet ID here, and I have to fill the captcha again to ask for the withdraw. So I just select the captcha, and I just want to hit the enter. So you can see after clicking on the withdraw, the amount is just right back into zero. So the withdraw is accepted. So if I just click on the history, it will load this page, and you can see if I just click on the withdraw, I just get my withdraw just get approved, and they cut a little fee, and it's just like 5 minutes ago I get like 1,955,000 coins. So this is the amount. If I just go over to my Faucet Pay account, I can see that I have just received that amount from claim trader. So if I just refresh it again, so let's see So you can see that it just loaded, and you can see this I have received from Claim TRX the same amount, 1,955,000 TRX. This is the coin from this is the Satoshi amount, and that is just converted to TRX amount. So I have received this amount, which is not big, but as I have just clicked one or two ads, that's it. But if you work regularly, if you work daily, you can simply earn a decent amount of money from Claim TRX without any problem, and it's paying instantly. And this is what it is. You can just even earn $2 to $5 within a day, and you can just ask for withdraw, and it will get accepted within 30 seconds of time. It just requires some seconds and you get paid from Claim TRX. So this is it, guys. If you want to earn from this website, you can just simply hit the link in the first comment below, and you can earn a decent amount of money, which is not much, but if you have some spare time, you can spend it here and earn some decent amount of money. So if you're liking this video, just hit the like button, and if you're not subscribed yet, please go down below, press the subscribe button with the notification bell so you're always notified on my latest videos. So see you in the next video. Till then, stay well and thanks for watching.